forecast.
Well, the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center this morning is a little bit of a wintry mix of sleet, snow, and some rainfall. Not expecting much precipitation, though, today in that first forecast. We're starting off on the dry side. Temperatures just above freezing by 8 o'clock this morning. By late morning, midday, early afternoon, this is the time frame to see some sleet, snow, and a chilly rain shower. We're going to be above freezing with daytime highs in the upper 30s and low 40s. These are your 3 o'clock numbers from Charlottesville, Harrisonburg, Stanton, Waynesboro, even over the higher elevations. We will be above freezing later on today with a drying trend going into this evening. Waking up to numbers in the snow and ice producing range. We're in the upper 20s in the Shenandoah Valley, upper 20s and low 30s from Orange, Charlottesville, Palmyra down into Livingston. Dry scans for now on the live Doppler radar network. Watching a growing area of precipitation over towards the Ohio Valley, Central Great Lakes area. This is going to fill in somewhat, but there's not a lot of moisture to work with. So I'm not expecting a lot of precipitation with this system. And once it moves through, look at the fair skies back across the heartland in the Midwest. This is our weather on Sunday before another wet weather maker arrives on Monday. Futurecast, our high-res weather tracker is showing there's late morning, midday, early afternoon, a mixture of some light sleet, rain, and some snow, mostly some sleet and chilly rain showers pushing their way from west to east. And then by 5 p.m., it's out of here. Overnight, we'll see some patchy fog and then partial clearing on Sunday with a southwest wind. More sunshine breaks out with highs on the rebound. Little bit of sleet and snow, mainly for the Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah Valley, but overall, I'm calling it little to no accumulation. If you do get some sleet and snow accumulation, it'll be on grassy areas and it won't last very long. There could be a light glaze of ice on those tree branches and elevated surfaces, especially over the Blue Ridge and over into the Allegheny Highlands. Not much rainfall with the system, mostly under 1/10 of an inch, so that's enough to dampen the ground. We're going to be dry on Sunday with improving conditions, but watch what happens by Monday afternoon, Monday night. Another widespread swath of rain is likely before we dry back out and warm up for the last day of February on Tuesday. Your forecast for this Saturday, a brief mix to a rain shower with highs in the upper 30s and the lower 40s overnight. Mostly cloudy, patchy fog, but drying out near calm winds. Lows mostly above freezing. Your Sunday outlook, the best weather day of the weekend. Highs in the low to mid 60s under a partly sunny sky with a southwest wind. Here's your 7-day forecast. In the low 50s on Monday, and rain arrives especially by afternoon into Monday night. And then the last day of February, we're in the lower 70s. The first day of March on Wednesday in the 60s. And some additional rain is on the way by Thursday into Friday. Low 70s on Thursday and cooler with rain by the end of the week.
All right, so we are really